from Squaw Valley Big Mountain, skip number 30, Ryan Lubin.
Going up off the spine. Dropping far lookers left. Gears right.
Favorite holiday, 4th of July. Like to party and have fun.
Favorite Disney character, Mickey Mouse.
Looks like he's going for that side air.
Owning it, yes. The line drive by that tree. Oh!
Feeling air that canyon. Line up for this big triple run.
Big triple.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
And when they finish, he's got 4 here.
Dude, just going for it. Give it up. Ryland Lubin, everyone.
Dropping in from Squaw Valley Big Mountain team, bib number 30, Ryan Lubin.
Over the spine, skiers right. Dropping into center chute, Jakes. Yeah! Get creative with his lines.
Looks like he's lining for another one here.
Going big!
Yeah. Carving it up. Lining up for bush air.
Sends it. Stomps it.
Yeah,
More air.
To the canyon there.
Oh,
Ooh,
1,
double,
2,
triple.
3. Yeah! Hits it.
Go for a big hit at the bottom.
Oh, holds on to it.
Tap right now.
Yeah, holds on to it.